Hello, it's Maria and I'm going to show you how I updated my profile on Moodle. I went under my name and clicked on Preferences, then Edit Profile. And then I filled in the blanks with the missing information, name, surname, email address. I chose from the options I had here to show the other course members, to allow them to see my email address, my town, Greece, and I also had to find my time zone from the list down here, and I used the right one. And then I wrote a description about myself. I've been teaching English to young learners and teenagers for a long time, and I like working with them. It's been a fascinating journey for me, and I never regretted becoming a teacher. Then I went a little further down and I used a picture. And here I had the option to use some additional names, which I didn't really put anything because my name is quite easy to spell and pronounce. I went a little crazy with interests and added a few. I like swimming, cooking, listening to music, exercising, photography, reading, and lots more. And here in the optional, I already put my Skype ID, which has earned me a badge. I didn't put other information in. And then I clicked on the button here which says update my profile, and that was it. It was done. Let me show you here in the badges section. This is the badge I earned for profile completion and the one for linking my Skype ID. I hope this has been of help. Thank you very much for watching.